Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to change your phone number on Mint. So let's go ahead and do it right away. Start off by open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in mint.intuit.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure to log into your Mint Intuit account by entering your account's credentials like you normally do. After logging into your account, go ahead and click on the Intuit account tab at the bottom left hand corner. This will then open up your Manage Your Account tab. Simply go ahead and click on the Sign In and Security option from the list. Now scroll all the way down until you find this Phone tab where you'll be able to see your registered mobile number. Simply click on the box and then simply click on the Change link right next to your registered mobile number and then enter a new mobile number if you want to change to something else. After typing in your phone number, click Save and you have successfully changed your mobile number on Mint Intuit. Now you'll need to verify your new mobile number. Select one of the options between text message or voice message. If you select text, you'll be receiving a verification code sent to you via text message. If you choose the voice message option, you'll be able to receive a voice message with your code. After you make a selection, click Continue and then enter the code that is sent to you via text or via voice message. After filling in your code, click Continue and then you'll be able to change your mobile number on Mint Intuit. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.